Hello, today we will guide you through how to change profile picture on Facebook business page. In the next couple of minutes, we'll update the photo that appears beside your business name across Facebook. Before you start, make sure you're signed into the correct account and have the image you want to use saved on your computer or phone. For best results, choose a clear, square image. Logos and headshots with good contrast work well, and keep any important details centered. Open your web browser and go to Facebook.com. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you manage multiple profiles or pages. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you can switch between your personal profile and any pages you manage. From that menu, select your business page. You'll be taken to the page's main view. If you don't see it right away, expand the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the correct page. Confirm you're on the right one by checking the page name and the banner image at the top. On the left side of your page, use the navigation to open the profile area. This is where you control the images and basic details that represent your business. Once the profile section is open, move your mouse over the current profile picture. Click it to open the editing options. If there isn't a picture yet, you'll still see an option to add one in the same spot. Choose the option labeled Choose Profile Picture. A window will appear with several choices. Select Upload Photo to add a new image from your device. Your file picker will open, browse to the folder where your image is saved, select the file, and confirm to upload. After the upload begins, wait a moment for Facebook to process the image. You may see tools to reposition or resize. If so, drag to center your logo or face and adjust the zoom so key elements aren't cropped. Keep edges clean and avoid text running too close to the border. When everything looks good, follow the on-screen prompt to finalize. Your page will refresh to show the updated profile picture. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or revisit your profile area. That's it. Your Facebook business page now has a fresh profile image. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need a quick brand refresh.